Well then.
Alright, for our demonstration, we are going to present the chemical concepts of combustion reactions, molecular structure, and reaction rates. So combustion reactions is a reaction in which one of the reactants is oxygen. Without the oxygen, the flame will not burn. And reaction rates for a given chemical reaction is the measure of the change in concentration of the reactants or the change in the concentration of the products per unit of time. Basically, how fast it reacts. Did you add that?
I actually did.
Oh.
So molecular structure is a three-dimensional shape of configuration of a molecule, and that's an important characteristic of something. So the shape is dependent on the spatial orientation of the bonds that the atoms have. Molecular structure can also determine how the molecule acts and if it's stable or not.
Alright, for our presentation, a small amount of peroxiacetone that is filtered onto a piece of filter paper is ignited. The powder burns instantaneously, leaving no residue and without harming the filter paper. Alright, peroxiacetone is a primary explosive, which means that it is very susceptible
to impact,
Yes.
heat, or static electricity. Peroxiacetone is more commonly called acetone peroxide, or PATP. And it's very volatile and may spontaneously combust if there's more than 2 grams present. In case of an accidental explosion, peroxiacetone has been known to cause permanent injury and also permanent death. And that's peroxiacetone.
I said permanent death.
Permanent death.
Permanent death.
Alright, in this demonstration, we created peroxiacetone from hydrochloric acid, acetone, hydrogen peroxide. Basically, you don't ever want to touch any of this stuff. Hold on.
Alright. Okay. So, the peroxiacetone detonation, I mean, like, it doesn't need very much to set it off. It's primary explosive, like susceptible to anything. If you drop it, it's like gonna explode. You poke it, it'll explode. So, because it's
Just don't touch it.
yeah, just don't touch it. It's gonna explode. You're gonna die permanently. This is very unstable because of the fact that structures are very large in crystals and more dangerous than those of like smaller crystals. And that's fireball of less than 0.01 gram of peroxiacetone. Pretty big. So, ready to do this?
Yeah.
Just a warning to the audience, if it goes, it's a little wet, it may not light, and we'll see what happens. If it goes, it can be a little loud, so if you're susceptible to sound, you might want to plug your ears a little bit.
Whoa!
There it goes.